right, everyone. What? Wow, wait, what? I have been playing music for the whole time. Well, you missed out on some beautiful beats that I was playing. So, mm, but you hear my voice. That's perfect. All right, that's perfect. I have been playing music for a while and I thought you all were able to hear that because I even asked folks about something. Yeah, if I'm doing the DJing right, and someone mentioned that it seems good, so it's like okay, folks are able to hear me, but apparently they weren't interesting. Anyways, hello everyone, and I am very excited for today. DJing in the chat. Ooh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Okay, I'm just trying to think how would you DJ in the chat. Huh. Interesting. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to maybe play music one more time and see if you can hear that. So let's see. Which one did I play recently? This one maybe? Again, I'm gonna go behind the scenes, dance, not even not in front of the camera. Come back after the whole song because you told me amazing. I'm gonna play a couple of more songs and come back. Fantastic. I see there is a question of how do I know if you are dancing? Because I was dancing myself, and that's how I know that other folks were also dancing. But, anyways, I am really excited to show you a couple of projects. And again, if you want me to highlight your projects or showcase your project on this live stream, just drop it in the Demo My Hack channel on Discord, and I'll be happy to show it to other folks on the live stream. Cool. So let's get started. The first project that I'm gonna demo, let me bring it up my screen, is Organic Chemistry Quiz Discord bot. I mean, just reading through the name, I wish this was something that someone created for me when I was learning organic chemistry. I liked organic chemistry, but I wasn't, mm, I wasn't really good at it. So
Hey, I'm Vincent, and this is our group's demo for Hack to School 2022. So for our project, we decided to make a Discord bot that outputs organic chemistry questions. This will allow for collaborative learning within a virtual setting, especially with a group of friends or a group of peers. For instance, if I type Ask Q, the bot will ask which difficulty level I would like to select for the question. However, if I do not type a specified difficulty level, in this case, let's just do ASDF, it's going to tell me it's an invalid input, which in this case, I'll need to actually enter a valid difficulty level. So I'll type easy and I'll enter that. So now it spits out an easier organic chem question, which in this case, the answer is methane, which will then tell me it's correct and it will give me 1 point to my total point tally, which in this case is now 5. And to prove that, over here it previously said 4 points. And now given that I got this one, it's 5. The source of our organic chemistry questions given from the Discord bot is sourced from the API database associated with our project, which in this case is used with MongoDB. So over here, you can see that we have questions in their own boxes and their corresponding names, functional groups, and difficulties. And if we go over here, we can load up profiles, which actually stores the point tallies of each Discord user. So you can see here, this is one Discord user in our test environment, being the Discord server, and this is their ID, and this is their corresponding point tally.
woo, let's hear it for Organic Chemistry Quiz Discord bot. Again, this is such an interesting idea. I like using bots to help you study is really interesting. And this gives me another idea. So I and I am originally from India and I moved to Germany last year and I've been trying to learn German. Maybe I'll create a Discord bot which will help me with learning German. I really love this idea and I might build on top of this. Once again, let's give it up for the organic chemistry quiz bot. And I know we are in the virtual setup right now. So let's use the clap emoji. Yeah, or the clap emote if you are on Twitch. Let's give the clap emote to the folks who created the organic chemistry quiz Discord bot. All right, let's move on to the next one, which is AI student hours. Ooh. I think I know what this project is about, but I'm not gonna go into the assumptions. Let's go ahead and check out that demo video.
For Back to School Hacks, presenting AI Student Hours, a virtual office hours platform made for students and teachers using the power of natural language processing and artificial intelligence. This is essentially an app where teachers can create rooms and conversations and students can join in. Additionally, teachers can also create conversations and sort them using the power of natural language processing in order to make sure they get to the conversations that matter most first. So in order to start using AI Student Hours, you have to register to our website. So now you can use this register your account in order to use your first name, last name, as well as your other details in order to actually. So in this case, if I want to join a room, I will click view more on any of these and I'll be able to join that specific room. In this specific example, I've already added many other conversations and comments. And in this case, if you want to add a comment, you will have to enter your name, your teacher's name, your title. So in this case, I'll just choose another pre-saved title that I have right here. And another question that we have so the teacher can answer that. So let us create our post and let us join the room again. In this case, let us join my room. And you can see here that it has made a comment that we can see, and we can see the title of the comment, we can see the teacher's name, we can see the poster's name, and we can see the actual comment as well as the response. So far, none of these actually have responses, so we will be adding a response. In this case, in order to add a response, all you have to do is click on the option. Additionally, you can also sort the comments using which uses a brain.js feature in order to use each of these comments as contents, or basically this message right here, and rate them based on a scale of 1 to 5. If you use the sort button, the comments with a rating of 5 will pop up on the top right here, and 1 will pop up on the bottom. In this case, it might not work because the comments actually go in progressive order, so we will press sort. All right, so now if you go back to our room, you can actually see that it hasn't sorted it much, but if I did put this one here or this one here up here, it would have sorted it so that this assignment would be on the top, this assignment would be on the bottom, and these two would be in the bottom too. Thank you.
All right. Let's hear it for AI student hours. What I really like about this project is the design and that they created the whole thing within the time period, right? That's really interesting. And I like tools like Velo by Wix, which enable you to do such kind of things. So I really love this project. Let's hear it again. I see a couple of clap emotes slash emojis in the chat. Let's use more and give a shout out to the AI Student Hours project. And again, a quick reminder, if you want me to demo your project on the live stream, feel free to drop the link in the chat or in the Demo My Hack channel so that I can bring it up on the screen and show it to the world. The next project is again a Discord bot. I love bots and I love Discord as well. This is interesting. I'm going to jump into this without talking much, and you can take it from here.
Hello, my name is Ayush, and this is a submission for Hack to School. And this is our website made by Velo, and this is domain from domain.com. This talks about schooling with tech and how to get in touch with us. And these are our emails. So now let's invite the Discord bot to a server. That's a GitHub and download. So now we get invited to my server for testing, authorize, and now the bot's in my server. Now what we can do when our bot will use Google Cloud Vision, and we can upload notes to our bot, and it will detect all the text and type it out. Here I have two examples for our notes. The first example is a very unique type of writing. So now if we do upload, this will upload all of these notes to the database in Firestore or Firebase, which is also powered by Google Cloud. And now if we do notes, it can it's although it's unique handwriting and a human may be able to figure it out, this is how a computer interprets it. How Google Cloud Vision looks at it. We can also try another typed version to show how it works in another example. Upload, and now if we do notes, it does this perfectly. There are no errors in this because this handwriting is typed and more legible than this. Another feature for our bot is reminders. So let's say I want to make a reminder for 5 seconds, and the reason is for testing. Now this will send me a reminder in 5 seconds. And we can just wait for that, and yep, this is a reminder for testing. And if you go back to our website, you will notice that we made a game. You can scroll down over here, check out our interactive game. And if you click play, you can just wait for it and you load into it.
Wow, that was a really interesting project. And yes, I do agree. Slash commands are fire. When Discord introduced slash commands, I started playing with them and I have been trying to play with them. And I mean, it makes it so much fun, right? I am curious to know if you have tried creating or using slash commands and created any kind of bot or anything with the slash commands. I'm just curious to know what other people are using the slash commands for. Just let me know in the chat because again, I am looking for some inspirations for myself as well. All right. And I see already people giving claps for this project. I love that. Keep it going. Keep it going. We are going to move towards the next one. That is workflow.
Online collaboration is an increasingly important aspect of school curriculum. So to service this need, we built Workflow, which is an all-in-one collaboration tool for teachers and students alike. We built this using Next.js, TypeScript, React, and 6 different Twilio features. And so we're going to do a quick demo, starting with the sign up page or the login page. So you can sign up for an account. And then since we have the Twilio SMS actually like working, basically it sends an SMS to my phone, and the SMS code is 9564, David. So the time currently for me is 2:50 a.m. and you can see in the screenshot I'll attach in the submission, it'll say 2:50 a.m. the timestamp. Yeah, so he entered the code. And now he'll just log in. So you have 3 options here: live stream, video chat, and text chat. And we'll demo each one, starting with live stream.
Okay, we are now creating a new event. Let's name this one like workflow event. Okay. Yep. And then, yep, it opens like my camera and mic, creating the events. I am now live. So Nakulia, you can join me.
Yeah, so I'll do in the same event, workflow event. And I'm in the audience now. So you're gonna hear.
Okay, I have to unfortunately cut it out because it's more than 2 minutes. But from what I saw in those 2 minutes, this is pretty impressive, right? They are using, I think, a lot of Twilio products. I am trying to find out if they have mentioned it over here. No. All right. Wonderful. I love this. When people cheer for the folks, I really love that. Thank you for doing that. Keep on, cheering for the folks and keep on sending those clap emotes or emojis. But I really love that they have integrated SMS authentication, also video. That's pretty impressive for me. I'd love to also know from you all if you have tried Twilio, because I have written a couple of articles on Twilio, and I feel like it makes it really easy if you want to integrate any kind of uh, workflow where you want to maybe do this kind of videos, or if you want to do any kind of SMS, or if you're going to do authentication and stuff like that, right? And I see in the chat, yeah, great use of the Twilio API. I know, right? This is so cool. Awesome, folks. We are gonna move forward to the next demo. Let's see what it is. It's called Notable. Interesting.
Hello, my name is Grace, and this is my group submission for Meso Hacks and Hack to School 2022. We decided to build an app called Notable, and the problem that we were trying to solve with this is how can students work together to achieve their goals?
Again, another amazing project. And I'm curious, like, how do you folks create such beautiful UI? Because I have been trying a lot to create beautiful websites, but I think I don't have those skills. And I really love projects having such beautiful UI. And yeah, I'm just amazed by the UI in itself. And I see a comment in the chat. We'll pull it up. Congratulations on winning the Twilio category. That's amazing. So, wow. So, you use the Twilio voice chat API to connect minorities from Indonesia to meet doctor. Love that idea. And again, congratulations. That's fantastic. Awesome. All right. One last project that I'm going to demo, and then we might get back into some music. So, let's go ahead with the project Natural Finds.
Hi, and welcome to Urban Finds, our submission for the 2022 hackathon. This website was created by Alex, Diego, Matthias, and myself, Nick.
About our website. We created this website to help people better take care of the flowers and plants. When someone looks up a plant on our website, it'll give them the basic instructions on how to maintain it. The reason we created this is because we want people to better take care of their plants and generate a new interest in them. Our goals for Natural Finds. Natural Finds aims for a cleaner and safer environment in which plants and flowers can both thrive in and continue to grow, as we want to encourage people to take up gardening not only as a hobby but a lifestyle that helps protect and nurture the environment.
Alright, so moving on to our gallery section. Over here, we have 5 flowers that help the environment. So I'm just gonna scroll through them. And if you want to learn more about them, we have a button right here that takes you to the page. So yeah.
Okay, so this is our interactive search page. On this page, you can explore different plants that you want to find information for. So, for example, some people might want to buy a plant, or they already have a plant, and they're unsure of how much they should water them. So this tool is important because they can search different information about them. So, for example, let's just search blue violet. So now, once we search it all, we can see the results, and it says that we should water it every 8 to 10 days. So now I know how to help the environment by taking care of my plant. And then there's also a button that we can go back to the search, and we can search up another plant, like French lavender. And it says we should water it every 1 to 2 weeks, and there's some more information at the bottom if you need it. So as a plant owner, I'll want to use this website to take care of my plants. I can find all the information I need here, and it just helps the environment overall as well.
So this is the crew section, which
Right, again, we have crossed the 2-minute mark, so I am gonna stop playing the video. But this is an interesting project, and I feel like this is something that I would personally use because I am trying to build a garden in my balcony, and the only thing that I am afraid of is not taking care of these plants, right? So that's me, but I think having such an application would really help me to learn about the plants and make sure that I take care of them. And again, I love this when people cheer other people. Thank you again for doing that, and let's hear it for natural finds. Ooh. All right. So what we're gonna do next is I am gonna give you some time. Just stretch your legs, go to the washroom if you want to, drink some water, and we are gonna soon start with the closing ceremony. And again, I am gonna play some music now. So if you don't hear any music, you have to let me know in the chat. Let me bring up some music. Should be able to hear some music now. Yay! Got some music. Wonderful. Just gonna hide myself. Again, we are gonna be back here live. We're gonna soon start with the closing ceremony. Anyway,
Hello, everyone. Hope you're excited for our Hack to School closing ceremony here. We're going to go through and give off our prizes for our top teams and our top projects. And we're going to do some kind of last minute wrap up and logistics, make sure that you get your stickers and everything like that in the mail. But we'll get right into all of that here in 1 second once I get the right. Oh, hello, Wei. I see you in chat. We'd love to see it. All right, there we go. Now we've got our windows in the right spot. So we want to start off, as always, with a big shout out to everyone who helped make this event possible. That is, of course, our hackers who came out and joined us for the weekend, all of the awesome mentors we have in the community Discord who helped out with projects and things like that over the course of the weekend, and our judges who volunteered their time to actually check out all of the cool things you all built. So a big shout out to everyone who helped make Hack to School possible. We had over 100 hackers join us for the weekend here to get ready for the semester and school year ahead. So very excited to see that and very happy for each of them to be joining us. And then collectively, they submitted over 26 or exactly 26 projects rather to the event this weekend, which was great to see. We actually had some really good on-brand projects, which is always awesome. We're going to jump right into our MLH and sponsor prizes. We will go through each of these here, but here's the entire list again. Some very cool prizes in here. I'm very excited about the drawing tablets. The coaches were talking about that with me before the stream, and I realized that is a very exciting prize. So without further ado here, we're going to jump into our best domain, registeredwithdomain.com. This team made an awesome domain name. I'm very impressed with it. We've got Studious with callofstudi.tech. So it's very punny. Very much enjoyed it. And if you didn't get a chance to check out their demo, this is a calendar with kind of more features built into it to make it even easier to manage your school and in life in general. So congrats again to them. We've got our best use of Google Cloud. This is going to be going to StudyBud. This is a Discord bot that uses a ton of different sponsor technologies this weekend. I know they were in the running for lots of our different overall and sponsor prizes, but they did walk away with the best use of Google Cloud here. So congratulations to them. They're going to get some Google Cloud swag bags or backpacks, depending on where in the world they're based. We've got our best use of DSO. This team is going to be walking away with $100 in DSO coin, pardon me, and some water bottles as well. And without further ado, our winning team is Defraud. They are a machine learning application or setup to help spot fraud in NFTs and kind of help protect people in that marketplace. So big shout out to Team Defraud for their work, trying to keep everybody safe. They get a sweet prize for all their hard work. Next up, we've got the best use of Velo by Wix. As stated previously, this winning team here is going to get drawing tablets to take home with them. Very excited to see who's taking this back after the event here. And this is going to go to AI Student Hours. Congratulations to them and their team. This is actually one of the projects that I got to judge and check out for our overall judging this weekend. They built a really cool kind of improved office hours experience where you post questions and get answers and things like that. And they had some machine learning and AI assistance in there to make it a better experience for everyone. So shout out to AI Student Hours. The most creative use of Twilio is going to be going to Team Workflow, and they get a awesome kit of Twilio gear. They're going to get a GameGo console, some Twilio socks and stickers. I think there's some hair scrunchies in there too, if I remember correctly. So they get a cute little swag bag from Twilio with a GameGo console. And this is an all-in-one collaboration like tool built for and by students to help them with their classes and studying. All right, we've got our most creative use of GitHub up next, and this is our final sponsor prize. The winning team for this is going to take home a Github Puzzle, which I actually, or I shouldn't say I completed, but some MLHers just completed one of these this week at our team summit. I know they had a blast doing it, so hopefully our winning team, Alpha Focus, has a blast completing it as well. This really helped you use your time more wisely with a couple of different tools to basically keep you on track and keep you focused on whatever project or to-do item you had to get done. So congrats to their team, and good job using GitHub this weekend. So we have our Hack the School prizes up next here, and we're going to jump right into those. As a reminder, here are all those prizes we have. We're going to start with our two categories, the top of the class and the My First Crafts project, and then we're going to do our overall prizes as well after that. We'll see how I do on remembering who gets what here. Hopefully I've got it memorized. So top of the class is going to be smart power plugs here. This is the best or most on theme hack this week. And this is going to go to Team Sphinx. They were a platform for registering for and seeing reviews of classes. I can't think of a more on-brand project for Hack the School. So congratulations to their team. Up next, we have our My First Crafts project, which is for first-time hackers, or at least 50% of the team being new hackers. And this is going to go, the team is going to get these little mini portable espresso machines. So I hope they enjoy coffee here. This is going to go to Organic Chemistry Quiz Discord bots. Very thorough naming convention here. This was a Discord bot that actually posted questions about organic chemistry and then kept track of points and everything like that in a channel in Discord. So awesome job to them. Our third overall team is going to be walking home with a bunch of awesome stuff. They are going to get some Soundcore headphones or speaker. They get a MLH t-shirt. They're going to get a MLH Fellowship Fast Track interview. They get winner pins, all sorts of good stuff. So a big round of applause for our third place team, which is Workflow. And again, we've talked about them briefly here earlier, but they are a all-in-one kind of collaboration tool that's going to help students work together and work on their projects together. Big shout out to Collab, or rather to Workflow, pardon me, for their awesome work this week. Next up, we've got our second overall winner. They are going to get all the same awesome stuff that our third place winner is going to get. I think instead of Soundcore, I think they get maybe the portable chargers. That sounds right. We'll see if I'm correct or not in a minute here. Our second place team is Notable. They are a note sharing app for students by students. They had a really cute demo video. I loved their kind of art style and what everything looked like. So congratulations to Team Notable for their hard work. And finally here, without further ado, we've got our first overall prize. Again, they're going to get those awesome fast track interview slots for the MLH Fellowship, stickers, t-shirts, all sorts of good prizes here. So without any further delay, our first overall team here at Hack to School is an Organic Chemistry Quiz Discord bot. Once again, they made a really cool, fun Discord bot to help people learn more about organic chemistry. Super on brand for the event, great demo video. And so congratulations to them on their win. With that, congrats to all of our winning hacks and all of our winning hackers. But congrats to everyone who submitted a project as well. Getting prizes is great, but submitting a project you deserve some recognition for as well. So everybody who submitted a project this week is actually going to be getting a customized iDemoed sticker from Major League Hacking. All you need to do to redeem this is make sure we have an address on file for you and that you checked into the event. If you don't have an address on file for us yet, I'll post the link in chat right now. You can submit your address at that link that I just sent out in chat whenever you want to, and you'll get yourself some awesome stickers from us. So that's going to be everything from Hack to School. That's going to be the end of the event, but don't worry, the fun does not end this weekend. We actually host events every weekend, as it turns out. We've got stuff going on next weekend, and next weekend's actually a little bit special because we've got a global hack week coming up. It's going to be kicking off on Saturday of next weekend, and it's going to go for an entire week. It's a week-long festival where there are mini events, workshops, live technical sessions where people are hacking and you can hack along with them. We'll have panels from organizers and hackers and community members. It's a really, really awesome time. You get a bunch of free stickers just for registering and showing up. So heavily recommend you come out to Global Hack Week September. And again, that's going to be kicking off on Saturday of next week. You can go to ghw.mlh.io for more information. One more big thank you to everyone who joined us this week. And with that, we're going to sign off here from Hack to School. I will catch you all next time. I appreciate everyone's time and attention here, and we'll see you later on. Bye, everyone.